Hey guys, I recently got a new fan. This is a 52-inch Tat Floral Hugger from the early to mid 80s. My dad got this off the Facebook Marketplace for my 17th birthday, which was a few days ago. I believe these were sold at Scotty's Hardware, which was a hardware store which ran across the United States from the 1920s until 2005. Unfortunately, at first glance, you may notice that the glass band that wraps around the motor housing is shattered into 100 pieces. And that is because the owner did not package this thing very well. They used freaking styrofoam and balls of paper to package the ceiling fan in a box. And what's even worse is that while the glass band was still wrapped around the motor housing, along with the top plate still on there, they put all that inside of a freaking plastic grocery bag. And then when it came in the mail, it ended up looking like that. And my dad told me that as soon as it arrived because he didn't want me to be disappointed on my birthday, so this was sort of an early birthday present. But luckily, the pieces of the glass are big enough and they're pretty thick too, so I'm gonna try to glue all that back together. Wish me luck. It is definitely not gonna look as good as it originally did, but it'll look better than it looks now. I will try my best. Now I've got two fans on my hands now, since I'm still working on the Evergo Roma, and I gotta glue all that glass back together. The owners did not package this thing very well. And that also explains why there's a crack in this blade. You can kind of see it right there. But other than that, I am very happy with this thing, actually. I do think this is very cool. It's got really long blade brackets. The fan is pretty much the same finish on both sides. It's got the, I guess I'd call this a glass insert and not really cane. But yeah, one side's got the flowers and the other side is plain. Here's the motor housing. It's got all four bulbs. I'm surprised none of those were broken. Here's the motor. The fan's an antique brass finish. It's got two tassels, which are most likely original to the fan. It's got a heavy motor. I don't know if it's cast aluminum or not, but it's at least 10 pounds. And you would connect this to this, which go to the lights. And you would put this on there like that, and you would bolt them down like that. And to change the lights, you would unscrew these, which would probably poke those out, and then you could change the lights. At least I think that's how it works. You might want to, I don't know exactly how it works, but it's probably something like that. Alright, well, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.